This is eating. I will tell you something cool. I am now going to give you an overview of what this video will contain. It will contain some food. It will contain a man eating some food. It will contain a man showing you how to eat some food. This is all of the contents of this video. The first thing that you're going to want to do before even considering eating anything is to warm up the jaw. And you can do that by doing jaw exercises, just like this. You see, just warming it up, like that. The jaw's warming up now. The reason why we do this is so that we don't end up pulling any muscles when it comes to actually eating the food. If your jaw muscles get damaged while you're eating the food, or your jaw dislocates while eating, then you're probably not going to have a good time. Now that your jaw is successfully warmed up, the next step will be to obtain some food to eat. I am extremely fortunate because there happens to be a lot of various food available for me to eat. As you can see, I have some crisps, and these are cheese and onion flavour. I also have some more food. Here we can see some crisps. They are original flavour. Here we have some additional food right here. This is barbecue beef flavour crisps. And here we have a completely different type of food. These are potato snacks, and they're Quavers flavour. Now, the actual edible part of the food happens to be inside the bag. I know what you're thinking, it's a bit stupid really from the manufacturers. Nobody should have to work for their food, but it is what it is. So you're just going to want to try and pry the sealed bag open somehow. If you don't want to risk damaging your nails, then I would suggest using some form of tool to get this packet open. So I'm just going to see if I can open this packet now without damaging my precious nails. At long last, the bag is finally open. But that is not the final obstacle. Remember, you still actually need to eat the food. This is what tends to put a lot of people off learning how to eat the food. The thought of actually eating the food. But you guys are here for a reason though, because you have put your fears and anxieties and concerns aside, and you just want to learn how to eat that food once and for all. So this is what you're going to want to do. So with your fingers, just simply grab a crisp from the bag. Just like this one. But it doesn't matter which crisp. I mean, you can put this one back. You can pick up another one. Look, it's a brand new one here. It just doesn't really matter. Look, I'll grab another one to just show you that you can grab any crisp from a bag. There's another one right here. Completely different. The choice is really up to you which crisp you pull out. As you can see, I've managed to grasp the crisp using my finger and thumb. But you can grasp it however you like. If you want to use your little finger, you can do that. I'm not judging you. And once you've done that, you just simply want to put the crisp in your mouth and bite down using your teeth. If you do not actually have any teeth to bite down on the food, then you can just simply ask a friend who will be more than happy to put the food in their mouth and bite down on it, and then they can just simply spit the food into your mouth. So once the food is successfully broken down and it's just kind of in your mouth, then you just want to kind of swallow it, and you do that using your esophagus. Then once you've swallowed the food, then you want to ensure that that food stays down, and you do that by shoving more food into your mouth. Then just repeat this cycle until either you have run out of food or your stomach bulges outwards. So let me just give you a very quick visual demonstration of how you should eat food, and then you'll be able to see for yourself how it is done. So I'm just grabbing a crisp. Let's grab, this one's okay, let me just grab another one. That's a good one. So I'm just going to eat this now and you'll be able to see how it's done yourself. Just like that. Excellent! You now have the ability to eat food. Why not show these newfound eating skills to your family, work colleagues, or pets? All of them will be extremely proud of you, I am sure. Thank you for learning along with me how to eat food. If you have a problem that you need desperate help with and would like me to aid you with it, then you'll need to message that suggestion to me via the comment section. If you do not leave a comment, then I may not end up doing your suggestion. Now I'm going to go off now and try eating some other types of food, so I'll see you later. See you. Well, I think you'll all agree, this is one video that I'm completely qualified to teach you on. Oh no. Where's all the food? Oh.